Nice old authentic barrow, look. All right stuff. Right, got me back to corn from the farmer. And now I've got to use my mill. I'm going to end up with some bread. Hopefully. There we are. Right, we'll take this inside. That's it. I'll just go and get a hand. Yep. And we'll put it in the we'll just put it in and then we'll start milling it. There we are, look.
Yeah, well.
Right, here's my wheat up. So we brought in the bag, see? I'm milling it. So there we are. There it is. You can see there. Look, that's it going into the mill stove. You've seen how that works before. So there we are. Milling my grain. Make the bread. Right, there's my flour being milled, you see. So there we are. Look. I'll show you. See? There we are, look at that. There's my flour being milled. Yeah. There's my flour being milled, look. See? So we're milling a flour in our own windmill. Right. When we get a bag full, well I have a small bag of course, when we get a bag full, we'll get it and go home and you'll see the end result. Right, done my bag of flour, look, all labelled up. Here we are. Right, so we'll go off and make some bread.